All right, quiet everyone, quiet, bit of shush. Now, yes, Jen, there will be muffins for everyone afterwards, but first I've got to actually, just looking at maybe one muffin each, okay? And Jen, if you could save me an apple and cinnamon, that would be great. Okay, everyone, my name is Nathan Murray. That's Murray with 2 R's, Claire. And I am the president of the Supercheap Auto Club. So head office has asked me down here to explain our new spend and get. Okay, so spend, obviously, from the Latin spendus, meaning to buy something. Get, that's also from the Latin, get, meaning to get something. Spend and get, and is, well, that's just and. Okay, so spend and get. It's very simple. Step 1, our club members spend $100. Step 2, club members get $5 credit. And step 3, there's no step 3. No tiers, no points, or don't have to send in a letter? No. Okay, so spend $100, get $5 credit, and that's it. There is no step 3. You might want to write that down, Jen. Oh yes, head office wanted me to tell you that that this doesn't just have to be in one transaction, okay? But you do have to spend it all within 1 calendar year. The other thing is, you have to spend your credit within 28 days because it's that good of a deal. So, Supercheap Auto Clubs, spend and get, and that's it. All right, you'd be lucky, Jen. Muffin time. Look, you've already started. Is there an apple cinnamon that you've sucked? No, that's fine.
Make it super at Supercheap Auto.